Looking for a reliable and affordable power supply for your gaming PC? The Corsair CX550 has been a popular choice over the years, but is it still worth it in 2025? Let's find out in this in-depth review. Overview and key specifications. The Corsair CX550 is a 550-watt ATX power supply with 80+ bronze certification. Here are the main specs. 550 watts of continuous power. Up to 88% efficiency. Non-modular design with fixed cables. 120 mm thermally controlled fan. Compact ATX form factor at just 125 mm in length. 5-year warranty from Corsair. Performance and efficiency. In terms of efficiency, the CX550 performs well for its price range, reaching up to 88% efficiency under optimal load. That means less heat and lower energy costs. It delivers consistent, reliable power, backed by Corsair, and includes built-in protection features such as over-voltage protection, under-voltage protection, short-circuit protection, over-current protection, cooling and noise levels. The 120 mm fan adjusts automatically based on system temperature. At low loads, it spins slowly to keep noise down. Even under stress, it remains relatively quiet. Cooling is effective, and the PSU stays stable with minimal fan ramp-up. Build quality and design. The unit's compact size fits easily into most modern cases. Black sleeved cables give it a clean look. Corsair's build quality is solid and dependable. Being non-modular, the cables are fixed, which helps reduce cost but may require more attention to cable management. In terms of compatibility, it meets ATX 12v2.4 and EPS 12v2.92 standards and provides enough PCIe connectors for mid-range GPUs. Who is this PSU for? The CX550 is ideal for budget to mid-range gaming PCs, office builds, or any system with power demands under 500 watts. It's great for users who care more about reliability than premium features like modular cables. Suitable setups include Ryzen 5 builds with RTX 3060 or 4060 GPUs. Intel Core i5 systems with mid-range graphics. Single GPU configurations that stay below 450 watts total. Pros and cons. Pros. Excellent value for money. Solid 80+ bronze efficiency. Comprehensive safety features. Quiet during normal operation. Backed by Corsair's reputation. 5-year warranty. Compact and easy to install. Cons. Non-modular cables can be harder to manage. Not suitable for high-end GPU setups. No RGB or premium aesthetics. Limited upgrade flexibility in terms of wattage. Pricing and alternatives. The Corsair CX550 typically sells for around $50-70, placing it among the top choices in the budget PSU market. If you're looking for more features, consider CX550M for modular cables, CX650 for more headroom, RM series for higher efficiency and build quality. Budget-friendly alternatives include EVGA BR series, Seasonic Focus GX series. Final verdict. As of 2025, the Corsair CX550 remains a strong option for budget-conscious builders who need reliable, efficient power without spending a fortune. It's not flashy and lacks modularity, but it delivers stable performance with the trusted support of the Corsair brand. Overall rating. Value, 9 out of 10. Performance, 7 out of 10. Features, 6 out of 10. Build quality, 8 out of 10.